Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your Facebook app. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here, and this is window, and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come to apps window here like you say, and we just go down here to looking for Facebook app. Then we find it. We will click here on Facebook. Then we come to Facebook app here, and this is window. We will click here on for stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage. Then we come to storage window, then we will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your Facebook app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.